How's it going, mate? As you can see, I'm sitting here in my work desk, partly surrounded by prints of various images, more than just on a monitor, on a flat screen. You could possibly get an idea of what they look like in 3 dimensions and their scale. What I'm showing you here is what is my reference board, showing all the images that are involved in the Sons of Thunder retrospective. So this is the full range, and what I have here is a set of prints now, which are A3. These are tiny prints, and I will show you the A3s here. Just one moment. This is an A3 now of the Harley. This has been color corrected. It's been color corrected in parallel with all the other images. And this is an example of the top grade product I have. This is very close to how the image looks. Whether it's an A0 or an A3. Now this is an A3. They all look fantastic in their frames. At A3 size, they hold up really well and look very, very good. What I'd like to show you is how they compare with larger prints. This is an A2. It's much larger, and the work in it is far more impressive just because of its size. An A1 size here. Sorry, it's difficult for me to do the camera. But again, because it's so much larger, the detail and the artwork becomes more impressive. So you can see the difference in proportions between the A3s, this A2, and this A1 down here. And even from this shaky video, I think you can see how much more impressive the detail becomes. This is a scan from the original artwork, and this is its full size. It's on A0. This is its counterpart down here. That's the Vincent, and that's the Vincent full size on A0.